Good morning, traders. It's Trader Rob. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd. Let's have a strong end of July. Let's see how the strategies react to the markets this morning. Let's get into that and everything else right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. All right, so as I discussed in my video from yesterday, been having some issues with my Ninja Rithmic connection where I have been putting in orders specifically in my morning oil and gold strategy, where I put in, I get my bracket orders in, and the system says order filled, my brackets show up, but there is no actual order there. So that's been happening to me since Thursday. I sent tech support a video yesterday, and I still have not received a response yet. I did redo my charts. I haven't reinstalled Ninja. I know that that's a few people have recommended that, but I'm not going to be doing that until the weekend, where it won't really interfere with all of my trading. So not really sure what's going to happen here this morning, if I'm going to be able to take these trades or not, but we will see. As of yesterday, gold was a winner for 27 ticks to the short side off of that 810, 815 inside bar. First oil session one was a loser, 50% reduction loser, based on this strong push to the downside. And this got you past your 70% threshold to reduce risk, got knocked out right on the next candle. The very next candle, which started oil session 2, you did get activated into the long. That got you 22 ticks. So about a 7-tick profit between both of these oil sessions. And like I said, 27 ticks of profit in gold, which was a nice trade. We had no setup yesterday on the Rob reversal, so hopefully we can get a setup here this morning. That would be fantastic. And then looking at my levels for this morning, got a 15-minute level still up here at 20.079. I got another 15-minute level at 20.003, which I might be using this as an entry to go short here this morning, targeting a 5-minute level at 19.978. I've got a stop loss level right here at 20.012. And as far as not many 15-minute levels very close to us, really only this one, which is why I like this setup as of right now. We got another 5-minute level at 922, 887, 849, and your following 15-minute level comes down all the way down here at 793. Again, I post these all in Discord. Post these all in Discord each morning, all my levels and the trade setups that I am looking at. And if we jump here to the ES, I've got a 15-minute level at 56.16. I got a 5-minute level at 56.12. And then I've got various 5-minute levels, one at 593, 591, and 583. The only setup I can find right now on the ES would be a long off the 55.83 level, targeting this 55.91.93 5-minute level. Kind of a big stop. I think this is about 6 points here, so a little bit bigger stop than I would really like. So I even put in here in my Discord, not the best setup. Hopefully a 5-minute level shows up. And we can retarget maybe something with a 15-minute level. So not the greatest setups yet here this morning. Probably the NQ would be the only trade that I will look to take this morning. So again, if you stick around, I will be live tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Central Time. So about 30 minutes before the equities markets open, you'll see me trade my oil, gold strategies. the 15-minute raw reversal, and how I come up with those levels each and every morning. That just got me two more funded accounts on this Top Step X. So we'll see how we can perform with those here today. Stick around the next few minutes. You're going to see all my trades, hopefully, and you will get the recap at the end of the day. See you guys in a little bit.
Order canceled.
All right, and here is finally a trade that I'm able to show you guys. Was able to finally get this trading thing resolved with Top Step. I'll go into my recap on that. So we do get a setup here to go to the short in gold. And we got a little bit of slippage here right off of the entry. So my take profit, well, my stop loss is okay, but my take profit's a little bit different than if you're just taking this from a trading view chart. We got really close there to taking a full stop loss. And to be honest with you, I wasn't really feeling that great about the trade. And we just get this huge down bar right almost to our take profit. I reduce risk here in half, 50%, as we've made that travel way over 70% of take profit. Now just looking for a final push from sellers, which we do end up getting. Beautiful trade in gold, a dicey one for damn sure.
Target filled. Order canceled.
All right, and here we are in oil session 2. We do get activated here into the short based off of that red down inside bar. Once you put your stop loss at the top of our source bar, we're looking at about 20 ticks of stop loss. I believe that's what I got here. I don't think I had any slippage on here. And initially, we do not get the momentum push, obviously, that we're looking for. We're looking for a kind of a strong burst right outside of that inside bar. We do end up getting it a little bit later in the trade, have this one sped up a little bit. But I know there's going to be a little bit of resistance here. I was kind of not feeling the greatest about my take profit here. But I knew that if we could... I actually end up reducing my risk here by 50% off of that move. Just know one little small push from sellers and we should take full take profit, which is exactly what happens. Beautiful trade in oil session 2.
Target filled.
So first of all, I want to apologize for the late recap. It's 9:23 at night. But just want to do a recap of today's trades. You guys saw the 2 trades I was able to take. Let me just let's pull up oil. So all morning sessions were winners this morning. Was still not able to take oil session 1. Got the same order entry mistakes, the same order entry errors that I've been getting for the last 3 days, where I'd put in orders, my brackets would show up, but there would be actually no order. I've talked about it many times. So, Top Step, their technical support came back and pretty much just offered a reset on the account. I don't know. The whole thing seems kind of strange to me. So I was able then to take oil session 2, which you guys saw on the video. I was able to record that. So first, oil session 1 was a activation to the short based off of this inside bar at 805, close 810, and your stop loss was placed at the top of your source bar right here, and that turned out to be 25 ticks of stop. As you can see, we came about 1 tick from getting stopped out on this trade, got a nice reversal all the way down to full take profit. So for those trading the morning strategy, they got a really nice $250 winner for oil session 1. I was not in that trade. I was able to get everything running and was able to take oil session 2. Which was also a setup to go short based off of this 935, 940 inside bar. And this one went to full take profit, 20 ticks, $200. So that was great. And gold was also a winner. So gold would have looked like that. Gold got an inside bar at 820, 825 close. Stop loss goes at the top of your source bar right here, which is 21 ticks. And you get 21 ticks of full take profit. You guys saw that trade. So I don't know, I think I ended up the day with $430 or $420 in profit. Could have obviously been a lot more if I was able to take oil session one, but that's also kind of the story of my life sometimes. I'm kidding. You're going to get breaks that go your way. You're going to get breaks that don't go your way. Another day of no trades on the 15-minute Rob reversal, so it's been pretty quiet here this week. Let me just see, make sure there was no setups. That's pre-session, no. And this is after session. So not even any setups that were invalidated by EMAs or anything like that. So no trades there. And also no trades on the levels. So if you guys remember, I put a level here. I put a setup to go long out of this 5-minute. We never really got through here. This is, let's see, 9 o'clock, 8:30 is right around here. And honestly, I stopped trading at about 10 maybe this morning, 9:45, and then left the charts. So took absolutely no trade there. Let's take a look at the NQ. NQ, I did have a setup that I had called out for. Did not take this trade. Obviously, no trades here taken. But it didn't hold. So this level, this 15-minute did not hold. I mean, I had it where we can get maybe a short opportunity. Let me see if I can blow this up a little bit so you can actually see what I'm talking about. So I was thinking maybe a short off of this 15-minute level, retargeting this 5-minute level. It does end up obviously making that round to get to down there, but this to me would have been way too big of a stop loss. My stop would have been somewhere right around here. So if I would have taken that trade, I would have got stopped out no matter what. As you can see, level up here respected really well, this 20.079. The 5-minute level down here got respected pretty well. But again, did not take any levels trades here this morning. So 3-0 on the morning strategies. They've been doing really well these last like 4 or 5 days. They've been doing really well to... Obviously, haven't really helped me much because I haven't really been able to trade them with all of the issues that I've been having. But I think I got that corrected. So hopefully I'll see you guys here tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow. Nice thing is that I know now that I could take these trades and I shouldn't have any errors tomorrow. 8 a.m. Central Time. So about 30 minutes before your equities markets open, I'll be live. So if you want to take a look at any of the strategies, how I do my levels, I'll show everything on there, answer all the questions that I can from the chat. That's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Sorry it was a late one, but better late than never. See you guys tomorrow. Happy trading.